Welcome to EJ Beauty. This is a platform where we'll be learning about beauty tips, makeup tutorials, and all things beauty. I'll be bringing to you products that are genuine and affordable and telling you where you can find them and how you can find them. So karibuni sana. Today, I want to do a makeup tutorial on the look that I am wearing. It's an ombre cut crease look. And while into it, I'll also be giving you tips, beauty tips, or affordable products, some of which I have used on this tutorial. So stick around until the end. Karibu sana. For this look, I want to start with prepping my skin because I want to emphasize on the importance of pre-makeup preparation. You have to prepare your skin really well. So I go in with my moisturizer. Then after, I like to go in with my castor oil. And then I finish with my sunblock. After prepping your skin, you cannot go in with your makeup. It's very important that before you apply your makeup, you prepare your skin well. You make sure it's moisturized and you've applied your sunblock. Now let's go into the makeup. So I have full eyebrows. I don't do much. I don't have much to fit into because my brows are already full. So I'm just giving them a shape. And the next step is cleaning. So when you're cleaning your eyebrows, you're supposed to go in with a concealer that's one shade lighter than your skin tone. And then a concealer that's your skin tone. You're going very careful. This is normally a big challenge for most people because you end up deleting the entire eyebrow. And then you take in your brush and you just make sure that you blend in all that concealer. So there, that's a simple tutorial on how to perfectly draw your eyebrows. Now let's continue. For this one you have two options. You can use an eyeshadow primer or you can use a concealer just to prepare the eyes for the eyeshadow. I like to go with transitioning colors. And then to blend that, I just take another brush and I go in with a shade from this palette here. And then step 2, I go in with the concealer. I'm doing a cut crease, a very nailed cut crease. And then, if you're satisfied, you can go in and line your eyes. So my next step is the eyelashes. Now this is very optional. This is totally optional. And again, it depends with the occasion that you're in. While the glue dries, let me prep my face. The primer from Lego. It's very important that you prime your face before you apply your makeup. So let's check our lashes. So for my foundation, I'm going in with two foundations. I want to mix them. So this is LA Girl in shade Warm Sienna. And then the second one is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 312. My skin shade is 334. And from there, come in with my concealers. I go for my loose powder, ile setting powder and banana yellow. And for contouring powder, I go in with this Zaron palette, and I like to work with the darkest shade. And then I go in with my setting spray. This is a DIY setting spray. I've just put in this MAC Prep and Prime bottle. So while the setting spray is setting in, let me now work with the lips. So on this channel, it's all about slaying on a budget. Staki watu feel like left out on the makeup world because products are too expensive. So I'll be bringing you some of the affordable products out there. And one such product is the Liron products. They are Kenyan-based products. They're genuine, made here in Kenya, and they're very affordable. And one product I love from them is their lipsticks. So I have to go in with a brush, and I have to make sure that on every dip, before I dip it back, I wipe that brush with a wet wipe. As I clean the brush properly with a wet wipe. Because these lipsticks are not only mine, I use them on my clients. And the hygiene is very, very important in this business. If you go to a makeup artist and they apply lipstick on you like this directly, my friend, run away. How many lips have that lipstick been dipped into? Imedipiwa kwa lips ngapi? Run away, my dear. And unless lipstick ni yako, that's when they're allowed to do that. Let me get a smaller brush. This is too big. And then come in with now my highlighter. This one and this light pink, because I don't want it to be very shouty. I don't want it to compete with the rest of the face. Very, very lightly, and then I brush it in. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around until the end. This is the final look. If you have any questions about today's episode or any other thing hair and beauty related, please do not be afraid to asking your questions. Also, please, let's grow this platform. Support me so that I can be able to bring you more tutorials, more videos, and more beauty and skincare solutions. Thank you very much. I am EJ Beauty. Like, share, subscribe, please, and invite your friends to subscribe. Until next video, see you.